Hey, welcome back to Cracked Country Cooking. Today, we're cooking this beautiful prime grade tri-tip. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take some of this fat, anything that's like loose, that's just going to burn when we go to cook it. Butcher I got this from already did a pretty good job. It's got most of the fat off of it already. And silver skin. It's a couple pieces and I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm going to leave that. Alright. Maybe a little bit here. Alright, so let's get our seasonings going here. Alright, today we're going to use some Kosmos cow cover and Texas beef. Hit it with a little olive oil, hit it with a little cow cover. Don't forget to do the edges. Alright, and then we will hit it with a little bit of Texas beef. Just a little bit. Snow on the mountain. Alright, do the back side. Texas beef. Alright, we'll let that sit for a couple minutes and tack up. While that tacks up, we're going to make a chimichurri sauce for it. We're going to use some orange, red, yellow bell pepper. We're going to use some scallions, 3 cloves of garlic, fresh basil, and some parsley. Alright, first we're going to start with the pepper. I just rough chop these. I don't know if I'll be using them all, but put them in a bowl. Get the rest of the stuff chopped up here. All right, I'm going to put everything in a food processor. I'll chop these up a little bit more. All right, well, we'll put our garlic in here. All right, and then we will put in our, we'll just rough chop that, put that in too. Our basil, our green onion. We'll put half of our red, yellow peppers in. Almost forgot. Half a red onion in there. Give it a couple pulses. All right, so we'll add our 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. And then we will add our olive oil. All right, we added about 1/2 cup. Looks nice. I want to push this down. That's good. It's nice, it's fresh. It's missing something. Hold on a second. Lemon zest, forgot that. We'll put this in a container and let it chill. Then we'll get our meat into the vacuum bag because we're going to sous vide it. You also need to season this because I didn't put any salt, pepper in it. Now we got to season this chimichurri. We're going to put some pepper in there. A little bit of salt. Give it a stir. We'll try. Perfect. All right, let's put a lid on this, put it in the fridge, and then we gotta vacuum seal our meat. Now that this is all nice and tacked up, we're gonna put it in our vacuum bag. Remember, roll the edges, but if you do what I just did, you'll ruin it. Put it all the way down to the end. All right. I need a paper towel to clean this up. Now we'll unroll the edges. We'll place this under vacuum. Now we'll place it in a 130-degree sous vide for 2.5 to 3 hours. It's time to pull the tri-tip out of the sous vide bath. We'll cut it open, pat it dry, and then we'll go sear it out in a Weber. Pat this dry. Once we pat it dry, I'm going to put another coat of cow cover on it, and then we'll sear it. Just got done searing these on the grill grates out on the Weber. This is what we got. Man, does it look good. There she is. All right, slice her open. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about right there. All right, let's take a couple slices out of this thing. Oh yeah, that is perfect right there. Look at that. Now we gotta top it with our chimichurri. Right here. That is good. All right, it looks great. Let's try it. Right there. Chimichurri on top. That right there is great. That's what, exactly what I wanted. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned, there's more episodes coming out. Watch some of the older stuff. See ya.